are, totally. Red dead nettle, I love that this has been such a cold spring. These are usually totally like gone by now and like seeded out or whatnot, but the red dead nettles have been lasting since like February until now. Like I've been able to eat, well, maybe not February, early March, I've been eating dead nettle. So you can totally eat it raw. It's a little fuzzy. Some people don't like the fuzz. And so, but I like to just go, and I like, see it's got this little cluster of flowers and leaves at the top. So I just like pick it off there, and sometimes I'll just throw this in my salad. You cover it in salad dressing, fuzz doesn't bother me as much, and you mix it with other greens, and then it just adds to like texture or whatever. And then you get the pretty purple in here,
Nice flavor.
Yeah, and so if you want to taste this one now, you can. Beware, we're on the side of the road. Dog can't be here. I'm not accountable for that.
It's been raining.